down in 1946. Bugsy was murdered in Los Angeles before he could see his dream realized. Howard Hughes arrived on the Las Vegas scene in the 1950s and started an empire of his own. Major chains like Hilton and MGM followed Hughes's lead, and so began the building of the mega hotel industry. A year-round desert resort, Las Vegas is known primarily for its luxury hotels, gambling casinos, and nightclub entertainment. The main business of the city is tourism. The major casinos are located at the Downtown Casino Center, also known as Old Downtown Las Vegas, and on the famous Las Vegas Strip. Spectacular, brilliant, multicolored signs that light up the desert sky. Las Vegas also has the largest convention center in the United States and now attracts major sporting events that range from golf and tennis to bowling and boxing. Adjacent to the suburb of North Las Vegas is Nellis Air Force Base, the largest Air Force fighter base in the United States and home to the Thunderbirds flight demonstration team. The city also has a branch of the University of Nevada. Las Vegas, the entertainment capital of the world, is the fastest growing city in the United States and home to many of the largest hotels in the world.